Hi everyone, I'm Professor Bhaskaran. This is my video blog number 4 about institutional review boards. Using EHR for research. When using the EHR for data and research purposes, we can run into many legal issues, especially with the HIPAA and common law rule. There may be many people who do not want to be recognized by the school they attend or where they work, or even by their family members. This is where the institutional review board forms come in. Institutional review boards are used to collect data while obtaining the patient's authorization and by abolishing any kind of information that is identifiable by the end of the study. But what is the institutional review board? The institutional review board is a group or a committee who serves to protect the right of the participants in a research study. They review materials and documentation, such as informed consent documents, to protect both the participant and the facility from legal issues. The informed consent form is an example of an IRB application. But what is an informed consent document? Informed consent document gets signed after the doctor gives an explanation of what the treatment is, or in this case, what the research study is. The patient has the right to accept or decline the terms and risks of the procedure and the study. Informed consent must be obtained, or the facility can be charged with battery or assault. The patient has to be in a decision-making capacity, or a family member may be able to sign the document for them. What is included on an IRB form, or in this case, the informed consent form? I researched the informed consent form from the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, and that link can be found below. Things include in the institutional review board application, or in this case, the informed consent form, is what is the trial studying, how the trial would be conducted, risk and benefits for the participation or the participant, confidentiality regulations, voluntary nature, what will be done during the study, how much the study costs, who sees and collects the data, how long will the study take and last, and signature boxes for both the patient and the researcher. And this is just the first page of the consent form that I found. But you could also click on the link on the previous slide to see the whole form. The whole form was actually about 42 pages long. So it's a lot to read and go over. And you can see under each bullet point, like why the study is being done, they provide a short paragraph for further explanation. The three most important components, in my opinion, and I'll use a simple example to explain each. The patient must know what the study is for, such as what the goals are and what the aim is. I'm going to use a weight loss clinic example. For example, does drinking lemon water really help with weight loss? So that will be what the trial is studying. How will the study be done? Where will the study be done? And how long will the study take? So for example, patients will need a water bottle, lemons, if they're in that select group, because there will be two groups, one group who drinks lemon water and then one who doesn't. So then group A, for example, would drink 30 ounces of lemon infused water, while the 30 participants in Group B will drink just 30 regular ounces of water for 30 days. And on the 30th day, they will come for a weigh-in. And this trial would, of course, be run from home, but then they would come into the clinic to be weighed in. The third thing that I find that is most important are the risks and benefits in the study, such as things can go wrong or benefits. So for example, a risk can be drinking too much lemons or lemon-infused water could cause GERD or stomach ulcers or acid reflux. But a benefit is things that the patient can benefit from, such as weight loss, and that has a good source of vitamins. And then these are my citations that I use. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed.